Hello techies. So we're in lab 5.1.9. We're going to install an enterprise router. So let's start up. Let's start lab. If you find this video to be too fast for you all, I'm sorry about that. I'm trying to make this video as short as possible, so you can always pause this video and work at your own pace. So let's wait for the lab to load. Alright, so the lab has loaded. Let us start up. Let's see our first task here. The first task here, we are to, let's see. The first task. Alright, so okay, so let's just scan through the tags and see where we'll start from. Okay, so I'll maximize this so that you see what I'm doing. So we select our router and add our router here, and then the cables. So we turn the back of the router and then plug in a power cable. It's going to go into this slot here, and then the other end is going to go into this port here, so that it supplies power to the router. Okay, so that is done. So open this to the front, and then let's see, plug in this into this port here, and this is going to go into this port here, and this is going to go into this port here, while this will go into the port here. Okay, all right, so let's plug the cable. So select our cable, plug in one end here, and the other end is going to go in here. Okay, now one end will go in here, and then we select another one end will go in here, the other end goes in here and here. So we select another cable, this end goes in here, and the two other end goes in here and here. Select the last cable, this end goes in here, and the other two end is going to go in here and here. All right, so cable is plugged. So plug in our Ethernet cable, one end here, and the other end is going to come in here. It's going to come in here. Okay, so that is that for our Ethernet cable. So you can see that Ethernet cable is connected and the light is blinking. So let's maximize this so that you see what I mean. You can see that the lights are blinking, which means they're all properly connected. So they're all properly connected. So let's see. Turn this to the back, and then let's see what we have. What is left in our tags? This is done, 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 this is done. Okay, all right, so let's check our answers. If you find this video to be helpful, remember to share so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one.